Special chicken flavor instant noodles from Indomie is a flavorful noodle soup that can be prepared in just 3 minutes. This instant noodle soup pack tastes great since it comes with 3 flavoring sachets. The included sachets are a seasoning powder for the chicken flavor, a seasoning oil for a smooth, nutty taste, and chili powder to give the soup a little kick. The simplicity and ease of preparation make these noodles perfect for the whole family. These special chicken flavored noodles are from Indomie, a brand of instant noodles produced by Indo Food. Founded in 1968, Indo Food has grown to distribute their high-quality food products all over the world. Their brand, Indomie instant noodles, are sold in countries ranging from Australia and New Zealand to Canada, Europe, and the United States. Indomie noodles come in a wide variety of flavors. This special chicken flavor is popular for its mild taste. These noodles have a superior flavor because they come with 3 different sachets to adjust the taste of these noodles. Listed on the front of the package, these different sachets can all be combined for a perfectly balanced chicken noodle soup flavor. However, depending on your preference, you may choose to leave out a sachet. For example, if you prefer your noodles spice-free, then you might choose to leave out the chili powder. Try different combinations of the sachet packet to adjust the flavor profile to best satisfy your taste buds. Preparation of these instant noodles is simple. Begin by letting the noodles simmer for 3 minutes in boiling water. While the noodles are being cooked, mix your choice of seasoning sachets together in a bowl. After the noodles have simmered for 3 minutes, transfer them to the bowl with the flavoring and stir the noodles and broth for a perfect soup. Then enjoy. Each pack of noodles like this contains 1 serving. Each serving contains 340 calories, 13 grams of fat, no cholesterol, 1,150 milligrams of sodium, 47 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 2 grams of total sugars, and 8 grams of protein. These noodles last for up to a year, so be sure to stock up on these packs and store them in a cool, dry place. These noodles taste great on their own, but if you choose to add some more ingredients, consider adding some chopped green onions, a hard-boiled egg, and some chicken. Be sure to try them out, and also look for other unique flavors from Indomie instant noodles. Now, I will open this package and show you the noodles, along with the included sachet flavoring packets. I will prepare this instant noodle soup according to the instructions for you to see. Here is the finished product. I added all the sachets for the most intense flavor.
Yummy.
I highly recommend this special chicken flavored instant noodle soup and hope you will try it out.
Enjoy. Bye bye.